phone brand. It was a long-running phenomenon that instantly shaped the impression of the person who was using it. It's not surprising to see so many people longing for its revival. There's a Chinese company on the mission to revive all BlackBerry devices with a twist. A brand named Zinwa Technology is working on resurrecting limited amounts of decades of BlackBerry Classic Q20 devices and installing Android on them. The reborn phone will be known as Zinwa Q25 Pro. To make sure the hardware is compatible, they are retrofitting the BlackBerry Classic with a new main board equipped with the more recent Helio MediaTek G99 chipset, 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The Classic touchscreen also help avoid any friction with the Android device. They've upgraded the original battery by size by about 15% and added new cameras including 50 megapixel back camera and 8 megapixel front camera. The newer chipset brings support for 4G LTE, but it does not support 5G. The team has also replaced a micro USB port with USB Type-C port for faster charging and data transfer. The BlackBerry signature capacitive touchscreen runs seamlessly on the revived device. It runs a bareboard version of Android 13, which is very sad, and there's no concrete plans from the company to update to newer versions. If you're inclined to buy them, either you purchase this without expecting long-term support. However, if everything goes well, Zinwa might explore retrofitting other BlackBerry models, including the Passport and KeyOne, the latter of which was amongst the limited BlackBerry phones that comes installed with Android. It's priced at $400, but companies also selling DIY kits to transform your old BlackBerry Classic for $320. Both will be available on the online phone, while the company also sells camera modules and battery separately. They plan to switch the Q25 Pro by the end of August for the first 100 backers and aim to go into mass production by mid-September. If you're interested in the project, you can join his Discord channel for more updates and other models under consideration for refurbishment. Who knows, with Android 16 improved support for physical keyboards, it might be a success.